a hospitality industry expert assessment that will set the industry on fire by Uwe J.W. Finke. Recognized hospitality industry and marketing professional and book author with 35 years international top executive experience. It is hot, so hot, and coming on 23rd July 2019. The hospitality industry is a classic example of arrested development. No development within more than 2,000 years. No doubt, the hospitality industry is in dire straits. Every year, many hotels, big and small, go bankrupt. This reveals the extremely limited competence of owners, top executives, and so-called hospitality industry business developer. This expert assessment will send shockwaves through the entire hospitality industry. It is so hot that even leading media do not dare to touch it. It's the beginning of a new era, a bright future. Do not miss this blockbuster coming 23rd July 2019. Stay tuned. It will be one of the greatest moments of your professional career.